Although selling volume has been relatively low for this double top reversal, there is nonetheless still a bearish advantage to make a quick return back over $1 and the highest Fibonacci fan line more difficult. On the other hand, a continuation of this steeper decline can lead price towards the 60s where there's progressively stronger support potential. Then remember to stay tuned and subscribe for coverage of more charts and tutorials on how to use Fibonacci time zones. Now on to ChainGPT, where attention will focus on whether the correction will end soon and see price direct back up off this incline and return back to the recent high. And as would be expected, there's progressively stronger potential for support should price drop towards the solid 3280 area. Though in such a scenario, it would be important to reverse back over 40 by the first week of April. Otherwise, confidence in the larger uptrend could decrease and lead to more suitable conditions for a bearish continuation.